Hi guys, my name is Zuzu and today I will be talking to you guys about global warming and I hope you all enjoy. What is global warming? Global warming is the term used to describe the rising of the average temperature on Earth. It has to do with the overall climate of the Earth rather than the weather on any given day. The history of global warming. The Earth has gone through changes in temperature before. The Earth has even gone through several ice ages when the temperature dropped significantly and a lot of the world was covered in ice glaciers. Each time, the planet eventually warmed up and melted the ice. And we can see this in the picture to the left. In 1909, we can see the ice glaciers, but in 2004, in the same location, the ice glaciers have melted. The difference is remarkable and it proves to us that this is something serious and that we should focus on. Why is global warming so important and why is it always in the news? Global warming is important because even small variations of the planet's average temperature can have a large impact on the environment. If we do not act fast, several things can and will happen to the Earth. For example, glaciers melting. Many glaciers are already melting and shrinking throughout the world, just as we saw in my previous slide. As glaciers melt, ocean levels will rise. So as glaciers melt, the ocean levels will rise. This could then cause flooding in cities located near a coast. Another thing that could happen is migration of animals. Animals will migrate to cooler spots as their old habitats get too warm. Extreme weather. So we could have a possibility of more powerful hurricanes, more droughts, and flooding. And last but not least, we can see a change in the ecosystems. So cold weather biomes like the tundra will continue to shrink while deserts continue to expand. We can think about this as a domino effect. As one thing happens, the next and the next and the next and so on, creating a very huge problem. What causes global warming? So there are four important impacts that affect global warming, and I will be talking about those. So the first one is natural temperature fluctuation, which means temperatures can change from natural causes. Even the slightest changes in the cycles like carbon, oxygen, and the water cycle can likely have impact on the climate over time. What's interesting is that scientists think that the current warming trend is a part of Earth's natural changes. As for the greenhouse gases act like an insulation to keep the Earth warm. However, as more and more greenhouse gases get into the atmosphere, the Earth will start to grow warmer. The main gases that keep the Earth warm are water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. As for volcanic eruptions, when volcanoes erupt, they can change the temperature of the entire Earth for a short period of time. This is because their eruptions send a large amount of ash and particles into the atmosphere. And lastly, sun activity. Since, of course, all the energy and heat on the Earth comes from the sun, this then will lead to have some effect on the temperature on the Earth. And some fun facts about global warming. Since 1990, worldwide carbon dioxide emissions have risen by over 20%. The United Nations formed a group called the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change to investigate global warming. With the start of industry in the 1700s, humans began emitting more fossil fuels from coal, oil, and gas to run our cars, trucks, and factories. By driving a smarter car, you will not only save on gas, but help prevent global warming. Though Americans make up just 4% of the world's population, we produce 25% of the carbon dioxide pollution from fossil fuel burning. by far the largest share of any country. That is crazy. Thank you guys for listening and paying attention. And now here is some time to have some fun and play Kahoot.